it's me, Yoj, and thank you so much for joining. Today, we are going to do some creative makeup. I'm using the color orange and purple, or any colors that is monochromatic to these two colors. So, if you're interested, stay much. I'm going to use a lash serum. This is from Easy-Go. Let's add some eye primer. Since I'll be using bright colors, of course, I am going to prime my eyes. The eye primer that I am using is a P. Louise Rumor 0.5. So it's lighter than my own skin color. The reason I'm gonna do eye primer, my eyelid produce a lot of oil. So if I am not going to set it or prep it like this, the eye makeup will be useless. This is a trust the process moment, guys, so don't be scared. Now this eye makeup look, of course, this is not an everyday makeup. Don't worry, eyelids have its own acidity, so this eye primer will be neutralized. So this is my palette. This is the Loca eyeshadow palette. We'll be using Bataan. That is really a bright orange, and then we are going to support it with some Buanga. This is a yellow orange. The best brush for depositing a color is a short dense brush. Should be like, let me deposit the color now. Recently, I got bored with simple makeup. My true happiness, it's really on creative makeup. So I'm not gonna lie to myself. I like the usual Filipina makeup like sunburn look, morena, summer look. Creative always makes me happy. By the way, I opened my studio. I am now accepting clients for makeup, so any occasion except bridal. I don't do home service. I just want you guys to visit my studio. All of my skincare and the things that I will be using for you for skin prep and all of the makeup are there. If you're in Banilad area, like you're in, by the way, I'm in Cebu, DM me on Instagram. My rate is still cheap because I'm building a portfolio, so don't be scared. Even if there's no occasion, you just want to update your profile picture for Instagram and your other social media platform, I can do that because I can do photography also. That's why I have my studio here. I have complete lights and simple camera so that I can do the things that you want me to do. My previous upload videos are one of my clients. So this is the Bataan shade. By the way, this is Bataan, the shade that I just recently added. And then the next shade that I will be using to complement this one is the Sambuanga. They're both matte. So using a very small pencil brush, I'm gonna outline where the Sambuanga will be. As you observe, my palette's names are places here in the Philippines, yes. These are the places that I know that using Ilonggo or Ilocano as their native language. That is why I named this palette Ilongga. So if you're from Bataan, I can see sunset. That's why I placed you on this very bright orange shade. And Sambuanga for me is so colorful. That's why I add this very bright yellow, orange. I do have some Bangani relatives. And they are the bonito and bonita side of the family. It means they're gorgeous. They have deep-seated eyes. And when they speak Chavacano, it sounds so sexy. Have you guys been to these places? Am I gonna keep it there? I have a hooded eye, so as you can see, both colors are gone. So I want to appreciate that. I'm gonna extend it. Fluffy brush. Where is my fluffy brush? Yes, I have a Morphe M502. I am going to use this brush to blend it up. Because the eye shape that I will be doing is like cat eye version. Sometimes it doesn't look good with hooded eye, but let's trust the process. You bring them together and appreciate the color. Ooh. These two colors is so hard to make. If you only know that the manufacturer keeps on complaining, like, what kind of orange you want? It's hard because it's matte. That means you need to add a lot of pigments. So I'm gonna extend it like that. Okay, that's better. Now let's continue. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm taking my time when I'm doing blending color because it's so relaxing. This is a summer look. You guys should try this. Orange and yellow orange. Don't be imprisoned on your typical browns, peaches, and pink. You can do this. If someone will ask me for a creative makeup, like decades type of makeup, cosplay, or they're feeling creative, I always get excited because it's so fun to do creative makeup. So I'm gonna do an eyeliner, add some lashes, and I'll be back for the bottom lash line. So let's do the base. This is MAC NZ25. Really? Don't the foundation, but I do. I'm curious with this tool. I'm just adding gradually. That's how it is. As you all know that MAC is a very full coverage, but why is it not this coverage? It's sheer. I think I don't need concealer anymore. I don't mind my freckles and some birthmarks or moles coming through. This is weird. I thought this will only work with Korean skin. The Picasso spatula that I got is from, I think there's a collaboration with some artist. I think I forgot. I'll research it. I'll add the information on the screen. Let's see. In fairness. Okay. Interesting. The reason I'm condensing the concealer here is because I'm adding color here. I will be adding purple, and I want the purple to pop. I'm not gonna add too much because this is the thinnest layer of the skin, the bottom of your eyes, so just careful. I'm not gonna set it yet because I'll be adding color here, so just let the concealer be. Now my pencil brush, and I'll be getting my purple color, and that would be Pampango. Let me swatch it for you. All these three colors look good together. I'll be adding it on my bottom lash line as part of this makeup look. Is this look for everyone? No. Is this gonna be an everyday look? No. But you want a makeup like this? I can do it for you guys. This is so creative. So open your eyes. I'm gonna deposit the color there. And the purple. Where can we use this makeup look? Maybe editorial? We're gonna coat the bottom lash line multiple times so that it will be cohesive with the upper eyelash. Let me just add bronze to my face so that it will go back to its morena look. I'll just focus on the perimeter of my face. I'm going to add a powder orange blush from Juvia's Place. This is the Saharan Blush Volume 2. Here is Tau. And then, orange blush, when you add it on the face, especially me, morena, sometimes it turns into a wine or reddish color. So I am going to enhance that with a peach liquid blush. It's like understanding the ingredients and how they will work together. A great understanding of the color theory will really help you. But since we are super creative today, I will try to go overboard. So I'll add the orange blush first. Here. Just like that. And then connect it here on your eye makeup look. And then you drape it. So there will be a draping here. As you can see, it's orange in the pan. However, when I add it on my skin, it turns into red wine. Because that's how it is. We all have different acidity. So I will do the same on the other side. Just the apple of my cheeks, and over my eye makeup, and then the temples. I'll put a small amount of the orange peach blush here. And then we are going to look for another brush. Tap that here. We're going to add it here. Okay, it's now more diffused and it's now turning into peach orange. That's why makeup is fun, painting is fun, and so relaxing because of how the colors work together. There. Don't be scared if you go overboard because we will still be adding some finishing powder to this. And the excess, just add it on your nose. I'm not gonna contour my nose. I like it as is because I want a more plum look. So it means rounder look or just the shape of my face. So up close, as you can see, they work well together. I will not be scared if we are going to do close-up. For the lipstick, we are going to do nude because the eye makeup itself is already super bold. So let me just fix my eyebrow and I'm back. So now let's do the lips. I'll be using Bite Me from Morphe and then Limo Matte Lip. I don't know what the shade name of this, but it's kind of brown orange. So that's what I'm doing. Especially my T-zone because I'm an oily girl. So this look is not your typical look, but we can use this for any editorial, self-expression because you like the color. I do like the color of this too. So this is the final look of our orange and purple makeup. What do you think? Leave in the comments below if you want me to know where we're going to wear this makeup look. But I can see that I think you can wear it in a party. A specific party, maybe a theme type of party, or this makeup look that you can do for editorial makeup or just updating your social media profiles. I hope you enjoyed this one and see you on the next one. Bye bye.